video I'm showing you how to make quick baked raspberry and lemon cheesecake tarts. So easy to make and only a few ingredients. And here's a little close-up of the tart. And of course, I'm going to show you the inside of it. Oh, so delicious. And me tasting it for you guys. Just what I needed. So you can use puff pastry or filo pastry, up to you. You will need 2 eggs, raspberries, a tub of ricotta cheese, 42 grams of corn flour, some lemon juice, and 100 grams of sugar. Put it all in a bowl like so. Crack the eggs, add the flour and the sugar. Give it a good old mix. Preheat your oven 180 degrees and you'll bake for 20 minutes. I'm using deep muffin pans, but you could also make them in the small muffin pans. Cut out your pastry, put that in the tin, pour in the mixture, then you're going to add your raspberries on top and you're going to bake for 20 minutes. You could have different flavors if you'd like, but this is my favorite. There you go, all on top, in the oven, and just like that, they're out of the oven, and voila. Guys, this recipe is so easy. I think I'm going to try a different flavor next time. Give it a go and let me know how you go. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.